Hey Justin, how are you? I spoke with Mark and Emily today. They was awesome. They was very professional, very informative, and I just want to say kudos to them because at the end of the day, they represent you and they did an awesome job. So I wanted to give them a shout out. Now, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing, and I want to shoot over a quick video showing you some tips and tricks that you can do in house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I love some feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful and they're educational for you. Now, as you can see, I've got your website pulled up here. Really good website. Like the pictures, very clean. Like how you've got the contact information up here from your service locations. Most time people are on their cell phones, so they can come in here and they can click on this button, give you a call, and get straight in touch with you. And that is very big. If there's emergency repair that needs to be done, they can come in here, find their area, click on the button, and give you a call and talk to your awesome representatives that you got answering the phone. One thing that I would suggest, though, is make sure you go through your whole website. When you're saving these photos, Google considers these photos as content, so you want to make sure that you embed or geotag buyer intent keywords in these photos as well. That's an opportunity where you can add another keyword to this website and start to get ranked for it. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR and DR here. This is the strength and the trust of your website. Now, this is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. As of right now, you got 127 backlinks and 53 referring domains. So implementing some of these tips will help boost those numbers. You want to have good strength and good trust with Google. Now, a backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text, if you're unfamiliar with that. But all backlinks are not created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the ones that's more authoritative and relevant to the industry and local to you. As of right now, you've got 197 keywords that you're indexing for, and you're getting about 138 people to your website each month. And that's more like a lead generating tool because it's actually bringing clients to your site. Now, if we look at some of these organic keywords that you're indexing for, let's see, roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky is a buyer intent keyword phrase. You're in position 14. Roofing installation, Kentucky, that's more of a broad. It doesn't actually bring it down to the actual city that you're in. Roofing, Lexington, Kentucky is a good one. You're down on that. And that's because of the content. You know, the content goes hand in hand with these, and it has to be command content, which is talking about the website and the services that you're offering is very important. Also, I looked through here already. You need to make sure that you're adding, like right here, siding companies, Lexington, Kentucky is a good buyer intent keyword phrase. You're ranking 35. You add some more command content around that because Google loves content. 24/7, Google sends bots out scouring through these websites, searching for content, searching through the photos, searching all of 200 different things they're looking for. But this is just a few things I just wanted to notify you about and let you know what you're doing right. And areas that you can improve. Window installers, Lexington, Kentucky, you're actually up 4. You was at 42. Now you're at 38. So you're increasing rank on that. But I would definitely add more keywords for your service pages. Again, 1,500 to 2,000 on the home page and about 750 words of command content on each page behind that home page. Now, I wanted to take you here. This is how I actually found you. Roofers, Lexington, Kentucky is a buyer intent keyword phrase. And you usually see the ads up here at the top, Google ads. That's a great way to get business quickly. But once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone. So that's the importance of ranking organically. Then you have the map pack down here, the top 3. You're actually number 2, so that's awesome. You are in that top 3, and that is really, really, really good because I see that you have you're smoking these guys with reviews, and that's a big deal. I wanted to show you down here in the bottom. This is the organic part down here. Looks like you've got this optimized up here. If there's anything else you would need help with, you could definitely reach out to me, but it looks like you're on par with that. And that's because of citations and things like that. Make sure you got buyer intent keywords in the About Us section. Make sure you're adding photos weekly. And in those photos, put your buyer intent keywords. Now, this up here, this is about 30 to 40% of your business comes from here. And about 60 or 70% should come from your organic search. Now, Lexington Blue is the #1 organic. You're on the second page, which is not bad, but 3 out of 4 searchers won't even go to that second page. Now, if you look down here on this website, I mean, it's not a lot here. You're definitely smoking this website. Definitely. Let's see what they've got their stuff saved as. See, missed opportunity here for them. So if you do the things I was showing you in here with the buyer intent keywords and implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can definitely outrank these guys while adding the backlinks and such too. Now, last thing I want to show you real quick is the buyer intent keywords that you should have throughout your content. And you do have several of these. So roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky is the keyword difficulty of 5, and this is out of 100 as well. The lower, the easier it is to rank. So you've had some pretty decent buyer intent keywords in here, and they're pretty low ranked, but you're not ranking for them, and that's because there's no content, no command content giving them power. So I want to show you these: roofing contractors, Lexington, Kentucky, 350; roofers, Lexington, Kentucky, 300; roofing, 300; roofing repair, 100. Like, this is 2,000 volume right here. So once you get on the first page organically, you will get 10 to 37% of that traffic as well. Combine that with your Google business profile, and you're going to be too busy. You're going to have to hire more crews. So there's definitely a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking for these, like I said, you'll get a percentage of that volume to your website, convert them over, depend on your closing rate. Then you've got more customers. Justin, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate your time today. I hope everything I showed you was helpful, and I appreciate to hear some feedback from you and your thoughts. I appreciate your time. If you have any question, comments, or concern, definitely reach out, because I could be that resource for you if need be. Have a great day.